Hello, everybody. Great news. The subscribers numbers has gone crazy. Got 4 this week. So thank you ever so much to everybody who subscribed. But Harold H, you're the only person whose name I know. So shout out to you. You are an amazing person. Thank you very much for subscribing. Just crazy talk now. It would be amazing to get to 20 subscribers, but look, I'm going a little bit crazy now. What are we going to cook today? We are going to cook the easiest starter in the world. If you can assemble stuff, then you can make the starter. It is ciabatta with Dolcelatte melted on top of it, and then there is some Parma ham on top of that. And there's some heat through that, and then you've got it drizzled in honey. And this is because this is so quick. Instead of me doing waiting until the end to do the wine recommendation, I'm just going to say I'm going to drink gorgeous Italian Valpolicella with this. If you can't get this, as they say in the Czech rep, Gadea tuzemák. So let's crack on. Okay, so all I'm going to do is chop up my ciabatta. It's about 1 inch thick, and then I'm going to put them on a baking tray and put them in the oven at about 200 for about 5 minutes initially. That's step number 1. So they've been in the oven for about 5 minutes, and they're just getting a little bit crispy even. And now it's time for stage 2. Do that again, stage 2, which is putting your Dolcelatte onto the ciabatta. Okay, and we're going to put these in the oven for about a minute, maybe a bit longer. Just keep an eye on them. We want the cheese to just start to melt rather than be melted. And that will be step 2 complete. And while that's cooking in the oven, then we can get our Parma ham or prosciutto or whatever. And then we can just tear this into, in my case, 6 strips, because we've got 6 portions. That is step 3. Okay, they are just about ready. So put them on the tray that you're gonna serve it on. This is a breadboard that I put in the dishwasher, and it bust in half. And I was going to throw it out, and I thought, oh, hang on a minute, could come in handy, and it has. Okay, so I can't remember how many steps I'm up to. I think it's number 4. So we just put on our Parma ham. And the final step, step number 5, if you don't include eating, is to get some runny honey and just pour that over the top. And I guarantee that is going to be an absolute winner. Well done, folks.